everyone out there in TV land. Welcome to another episode of Math Homework Helper Shorts. My name is Ollie the Ostrich, and I'm here today with my friend, Mr. Tang. Hi, Mr. Tang. How are you?
Hey, Ollie.
How's life?
Life is pretty good. I
Yeah?
can't complain. The weather's getting nice out.
It's nice.
We're about to do math. So.
Oh, yeah. What kind of math are we going to do today?
Well, we're with our second grade friends, and we're going to continue looking at geometry.
Oh, great.
Today, we're going to talk about symmetry.
Whoa,
We are going to explore some symmetry.
Okay.
All right. So we are going to start off by circling the shapes that are symmetrical and cross out the shapes that are not symmetrical. Before we start, do you know what the word symmetry means?
You know, I was going to ask you.
You know, I thought you might have asked me. So
Whoa, the big
I
reveal.
included the definition here for us.
That was wonderful.
So the property of a shape that can be folded so the two halves match exactly.
Oh,
All right?
okay.
So with that being said, if I were to print this out and cut each shape out, if I folded it, it would match exactly.
Okay.
All right?
Got it.
So we're going to circle the ones that are symmetrical.
Okay.
You know, I'm going to change my color.
Do it.
I'm feeling a little purple today.
Hey, I was hoping you'd pick that color, Mr. Tang.
All right. What about a square? If we fold that in half, would the two halves match exactly?
I'm going to go with yes.
Yeah, I think so.
Is that
We
right?
can see the line of symmetry
Right
here.
in the middle.
Actually, if we do it this way, we'll do it too.
Yeah.
I mean, that's not exact, but you get the point, right?
I get the point.
All right, what about a circle?
A circle would be symmetrical, I
It would
believe.
be, yep, it would be.
Is that right?
It actually has like infinite lines of symmetry, I think. You can,
Yeah.
as long
You're
as
going to
it
draw
goes through-
all
as
of
long-
them?
As long as the line goes through the middle of it,
Right.
yeah, that would be perfectly symmetrical.
Okay.
Where you look at it.
Okay.
How about this scalene triangle? So the scalene triangle, I think we talked about a couple weeks ago. The properties would say that none of the sides are the same.
Right.
They're all different.
I don't know. I'm not feeling that one.
No, I don't think so.
It doesn't look
Let's
very
go ahead and cross
symmetrical.
that out.
Yep, cross that out.
Because if we folded it in half here, one side would be longer than the other side.
Yeah.
It just wouldn't match up.
Right. Wouldn't match.
What about this rectangle?
Well, that looks very symmetrical.
Yeah, I think so.
If we folded that, that'd be great.
Yeah.
Here we go.
This way or that way, I guess.
Yep, either way.
What about this pentagon?
That's a weird looking pentagon.
It is a weird looking pentagon.
I have never seen one like that.
Really?
It
Never.
looks very confused.
It's kind of like an L of something, maybe like a Pac-Man that just ate his lunch
Yeah.
already or something.
You
maybe?
know what it doesn't look like? Symmetrical.
Does not look symmetrical.
No.
Let's go ahead and put a cross.
Let's
out.
cross that out.
What about this ellipse?
You know, that kind of makes me think of a circle.
Uh-huh.
And I would say yes.
Okay.
Symmetrical.
But unlike a circle, if I folded it in half this way, would that be exactly half?
Oh.
No. But so it
That's
doesn't
a
have
trick
as
one.
many lines of symmetry as a circle does because the circle is perfectly round
Right.
and equal distance from the middle to every point.
Right.
The ellipse isn't the same as that. But if I drew a line right down the middle, that would be a line of symmetry.
That would work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What about this right triangle?
Oh, I don't know. You know, I'm going to go yes.
Okay.
But I don't know. I'm not going to lie.
Let's talk
I
about
don't
it. I think it would depend, right?
I don't know.
Because if this side was longer than this side,
Right.
then it wouldn't be symmetrical.
Right.
Because I guess the only place that we can draw the line would be right at that right angle
Yeah.
going across. And if that line was longer, that would not match up.
Right.
So I think if this side and this side were perfectly equal,
Yep.
then that would be symmetrical.
Agreed.
But we don't know that, so let's
Nope.
go ahead and say no for now.
Oh, poor right triangle.
Poor right triangle. What about this trapezoid?
I'm going to go with the no on that one.
No. And the cool thing about the shapes with symmetry are you should be able to, for the most part, be able to eyeball it and say that looks like that's symmetrical or not.
Yep.
Because especially if we could just fold it in half and kind of see if it matches.
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
We got them all. Whoa.
All What is the name of the shape and how many lines of symmetry does it have? Oh boy. All right, we're going to try our best here, okay?
Okay.
So A is, the first example is already done. It's an equilateral triangle. It's 3 lines of symmetry. Down the middle, and then each side would be, okay, that makes sense.
Okay.
What about this shape? Do you know what A is?
Is that a trapezoid?
It is a trapezoid.
Trapezoid. Best word. What a fun word.
And it has
Trapezoid.
this line of symmetry down the middle here.
That's one.
I think that's it.
Okay, so one.
One line of symmetry.
Done.
And then this
One
is
and done.
a...
Is that a diamond? What is
yeah,
that?
but they're called
What do they call it?
rhombus.
Rhombus.
And this rhombus has a line of symmetry going down the middle, going across.
Two.
So that's two there.
Two.
Would it be the same? No, I don't think so. I think it's just two.
No, I think it's two.
All right.
What another great word, rhombus.
And boys and girls, if you see anything that we're doing that's not right, shoot us an email. Help us correct it.
Absolutely.
Because this next one looks a little tricky. Oh boy.
Whoa.
So how many sides does this have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's
Do you know what a
six.
6-sided shape is called?
Oh, 6. That is a hexagon.
A hexagon.
Is that right?
Yep. And let's see how many lines of symmetry this has. Straight down,
That's 1.
straight across,
I'll count them. That's 2.
going this way,
That's 3.
going this way,
That's 4.
and this way,
5.
and this way.
6.
Yeah, I think it's 6.
Yeah. That's a lot.
6 lines of symmetry.
Wow.
So it's like at every angle and in between each angle.
Adds up to 6.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Very
One
cool.
last thing we have. I think you're
Oh.
going to find this one a lot of fun.
Okay.
Draw the other half of each of these figures carefully so that they're symmetrical when you're finished.
Oh.
Oh boy.
Okay, time for those art skills, Mr.
All
Tang.
right.
Are you going to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Go.
Let's start easy. I want to start with this kite over here.
Okay. Great. Beautiful. Perfect. Wonderful. Oh, look how symmetrical it is.
All right. So let's see. Hint. If you want to see the whole figure, it looks like, set a mirror up right next to it. Okay, so that's what I'm imagining. If I was able to see the other side look exactly the same, that's what it would be symmetrical.
Yeah.
That's pretty close. What do
That's
you
pretty
think?
good.
Okay.
Pretty good.
And then we'll do this one here.
Oh, look at you go. Yep. Is this like a button?
It looks like a button, huh?
Yeah.
All right, boys and girls, we're done.
What?
What do you think?
What?
I don't really. All right, should I try it?
Yes. You got to get the butterfly.
This looks impossible.
I believe in you. Just keep in mind the clock is ticking, Mr. Tang.
All right, you're right.
That's great.
Gotta go quick.
Beautiful. Oh, wow. I have never seen a better looking butterfly.
All right, and there we go.
Look
Line
at
of symmetry.
that.
We have a symmetrical butterfly, kite, and a button.
Hey, give him a hand.
Hey, I had a lot of fun exploring symmetry today.
Me too. Me
right.
too. Girls and boys, we're so glad you can join us today. What should we tell them now?
Practice your butterflies.
Okay.
Join us next week
Oh, right. Tell 'em.
live
Live.
right here at the Hideout
Right here.
with all our friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have our live show next week. Don't forget to call in.
Call in.
Join us here. Ask some math questions. Win some prizes.
Yeah. So we'll see you next week.
Let's see you next
Thanks
week.
for joining us, girls and boys. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.